What's up, everybody? I'm here finally. It's Tarin coming to you live, recording her first video.
It's been another perfect day with ya. Wanna lay with ya, spend the night with ya.
I'm so excited. It's New Year's. This is my New Year's resolution. I want to invite y'all in and share myself with all of y'all. I'm talking from hair journey, school journey, life journey, job journey. You get what I mean. I'm ready to just share myself with y'all. So first, let me start by telling you a little bit about myself. My name is Tarin. That's Tarin. I'm 21 years old. I'm a senior in college. And I'm honestly just so inspired by all the YouTubers, the crazy, amazing YouTubers that I see. Every time I turn on my phone, I log in, I go to look something up, so I decided to join the movement and let y'all in on my wisdom and my knowledge and what I've acquired over the years. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for all of the craziness, all the crazy challenges, all the crazy everything, pranks, my opinions, my knowledge, what little knowledge I feel like I have. Just putting your input, comment your suggestions on what I should do. I'm so open, I'm ready to blow up your line, posting videos every week. Come and join in on the fun. Let me know how you feel. And thank you for the support in advance, honestly. I'm so excited to start this. Get this ball rolling. It's the new year and I'm ready to let y'all in. Let's go. I want to learn y'all as well as y'all learn me. So, like I said before, like, comment, subscribe, share on all your social media accounts because mama is ready to blow up your line. Let all your friends know, your mama, your daddy, everybody, because there's going to be something down here for everybody. See y'all in the next video. It's Tarin signing off.
You go.